Hey everybody, I'm Chef Tom with ATBBQ.com, and this is Jalapeno Popper Pasta Salad. Well, no good barbecue is complete without good barbecue side dishes, and that's what we aim to create today. So we're gonna be making pasta salad, but we're including all of the things that we love about jalapeno poppers. So let's start by roasting off our jalapenos. You're probably gonna want 4 to 6 of them for this recipe, which is gonna be about 1 pound of pasta. It just depends on the size of the peppers. So now for the bacon portion, while those jalapenos are roasting, we're just gonna chop this down fairly fine. We can chop it up more later before we throw it into the pasta salad. We just want to render all this out and get a lot of nice texture on the bacon. So we're going to throw a full pound of diced bacon into a cool skillet and let it start to render down over medium heat. So just about 10 minutes now, you can see these jalapeno peppers, they're charred on the outside. That skin's already starting to separate from the flesh. That's our whole goal here, is to get the nice tender smoky flesh of that pepper. But what we're going to do now is we're going to throw them in a container and let them steam for about 10 minutes. And you can do this on just about any type of grill, be it a pellet grill like we're cooking on today. We're on the Yoder 640. It's running at 500 degrees, but you could easily do it on a Weber kettle. You could do it on a Napoleon gas grill. Any of those options are gonna work. All you're looking to do is get some color and flavor on those peppers so that you can steam them and get the skins off. Bacon's crispy now. We're gonna strain off that bacon fat. We just include this bacon in the pasta salad. Let's go ahead and cook up our pasta. So we've got the water boiling now, adding some salt so that our pasta is not too bland. And we're gonna add our pasta in. This is the Zelli Campanelli. It's got a lot of texture. It soaks up all of the dressing. So let's put that dressing together while the pasta's cooking. We're gonna start with equal parts sour cream and mayo, a cup of each. We're adding in 4 ounces or a half a bar of cream cheese, cup of cheddar, and a cup of cotija cheese. Now for a little citrus, about a tablespoon of lemon juice. Now we're gonna slice up some chives here, a couple tablespoons. And then we'll season this with our Cattleman's grilled trail dust, which is a great all-around savory all-purpose seasoning, something I certainly would put on my jalapeno poppers, so it'll fit right in. So let's start to fold all of this stuff together. We can throw in our bacon and our pasta as soon as it's fully cooked. It's been about 5 minutes now. Let's see how done these are. Perfect. Still got a little bite to it, not falling apart yet. We'll get this bacon out of the strainer now so we can strain off the pasta. And then the pasta right into the bowl. So now we're just gonna fold this to coat everything. We'll give it a taste for seasoning, but that's pretty much it. Super easy. Final touches now. Our jalapenos are fully steamed, so we're going to open those up, take the seeds out, and take the skins off. You guys know that no 2 jalapenos are the same. Sometimes you get a spicy one, sometimes you get a mild one. So just use your discretion and use as much jalapeno as you think your guests will enjoy. We've got those all chopped up now. Let's get them worked in there and we'll have a taste. All right, moment of truth. I can't think of anything I don't like about this. It's just the right amount of spicy, just the right amount of smoky between the chilies and the bacon. And let's be honest, bacon. Pasta, it's creamy. It's not cold and it's not hot right now. And honestly, if you're making this for later, taste it now, but taste it again before you serve it. Because as things cool down, some of those seasonings, some of those flavors, some of that salt's gonna be muted. So you may need to add something later on, but right now it's perfect. Bye. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to check out atbbq.com for all the products featured in today's video. If you enjoy the recipe, hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions or comments, or there's anything you'd like to see me cook, let me know in the comment section down below. And let's listen to loud motorcycles together. For more recipes, tips, and techniques, head over to atbbq.com/thesauce. all things barbecue, where barbecue legends are made.